వాట్సాప్ ప్లేస్ कैसे हो ఎలా ఉన్నారు హోప్
అరే ఇంటి లోపల షేడ్స్ ఎందుకు వేసుకొని వచ్చినావు చెప్పరా
బయటకు వచ్చాక వాట్సాప్ ప్లేస్ कैसे हो ఎలా ఉన్నారు hope everyone is doing great. I thought today we'll start my vlog with a 790 Duke, but that didn't happen. This fellow cheated me. He told me we're gonna get to ride this 790. He told us we can get to ride this 790. After I came, it was not the test ride vehicle.
It was someone's vehicle.
He didn't tell us that. We can't ride someone else's vehicle, and that's a new one. It cute ga urchunnadu kada veedu kuda ade.
Intik friends of the
If you would invite, will anyways come. You need not tell that there's a Duke 790. Duke 790 and a Scrambler as well. Ducati Scrambler as well. Okay, and we have one new person in the group. Now he's in the helmet, but actually I took you in the vlog while we are going to Kerala in the. But later realized my GoPro was in timelapse mode, so it was all like fast. Yeah, this is Pranav. He's got a different name. I'll tell you later after we get a little bit more pally, you know. Oh, by the way, he rides one of my favorite bikes, the Gem, the Speed Twin. Don't you feel that now your bike is underpowered because you got used to your 850?
No comments.
Do you feel that you should have taken the 1250?
Yes. I day 1 నుంచి చెప్తున్నా.
Now you regret that.
Day 1 నుంచి చెప్తున్నా.
Yeah, first.
రాజస్థాన్
No, actually
10 రోజుల్లో చెప్పినా నేను. అడుగు వాళ్ళని.
No, not then. First, when you were getting the 850, you were like a little bit intimidated, right?
Yeah, it's too big.
You thought it was too big. No, the 850 itself, you thought it's too big.
It's the first bike, obviously.
दान मुंदु पल्सर था
180.
Oh, by the way, उसके पहले सब पल्सर गैंग था. रोहित 220 Black Pulsar. वो स्टैंड नीचे लगा के Sparks and all. That group. And there comes our Adi on the Ducati. How is it?
Adundi.
Super impressed.
Very.
Out of all the adventures, I mean adventure tours.
I haven't ridden the 1250 yet.
I know.
Once.
I know, but
then I'll give the verdict.
Okay.
Only feel outtaru.
No, this is a sports tourer. It's
Dude,
not
but
like a proper
what-
adventure
yeah.
tourer. You can't compare it like exactly to that.
Correct. But this is, I guess.
But I'll tell you one thing. That is the best.
Chupi no.
Your Duke is the best. Very light on the heart, light on the pocket. You need to remove your helmet once. No one knows how you look.
Beautiful face.
Pranav is taking a lot of time to remove his helmet. I think he's a little bit shy. He'll get used to this.
No. It's the Addalu helmet.
That's Pranav.
ఇదేంటో బందవు?
ఇప్పుడు నా కెమెరా కోసం.
Sorry.
Okay.
First time కదా. దాని తర్వాత
Okay. So Pranav is gonna hopefully ride with us soon. Soon. He just started riding his Speed Twin.
Yeah.
How are you liking the ride?
It's fun. I recently
just
went on the
done
highway.
like-
First highway ride was pretty fun. Aditya and everybody.
Oh yeah, I think.
అంటే బాబు మనం ఫస్ట్ రైడ్ కొడుతుందా హ్యాండ్ సిగ్నల్స్
అంటే నో సెన్నాను
అది కాదు ఇండికేటర్స్ రైట్ లెఫ్ట్ తీసుకుంటుంటే
Okay.
ఆ స్టేజ్ అన్నమాట
Even while overtaking indicators.
yes.
Okay. We were all like that. That's
no
okay.
సెన్నాను I have like somebody's coming.
Okay.
Somebody's coming.
చేయిట్లు వెళ్ళిపోతుంటే సేమ్ రైట్
ఇడ పెడతా
Yeah. I think in a couple of rides, maybe 3-4 rides, you
let's
should be
do a
fine.
weekend ride now.
Weekend ride, no. You have to do like 9-hour rides per
Weekend.
day.
Weekend.
Then-
Okay, 3 days ride.
3 night rides, then you'll be fine. Abhi kya hai plan?
Let's go to a small spin to Shamirpet.
I'll tell you one thing.
It's not the same bike.
I'll tell you one thing. This is the smallest bike. There are a lot of big adventure tourers here, but still, this is the most experienced bike among all. It's been to Ladakh. It's been to Sikkim. It's been everywhere, literally. All over India. 32,120 kilometers. Oh, there is Shiva's bike as well. Shiva is not here, but
Hello.
Chaitanya got that bike.
Yes.
T120.
Chaitanya stole this bike.
ఇవన్నీ టాయ్స్.
Oh, how do you like it? T120?
Yeah, all of these are toys. Better, camera better. Toys. Big
Toys,
toy,
toys.
big toy, fun
Oh,
toy,
I did
small
yes,
toy. This is a bike.
He says this is a true classic bike.
It's a bike.
All these are toys. Why do you feel that?
ఒకసారి నడుపురా.
I know, I rode it. It goes straight, it
How do you
doesn't
explain
lean.
that feeling?
It goes straight, it doesn't
First of
lean.
all,
It's
it
a proper
leans.
cruiser.
No, I'll tell you. In the last 2 days that I've been riding it, it leans.
Because you have to lean your body.
No. It leans at slow speeds, and also when you start revving, the torque wants you to go straight. So if you're not revving hard, when you're
That's a
leaning,
torque
it leans.
monster, yes. You can
Right.
start this bike and stop this bike in the third gear.
Very comfortable.
Just leave the clutch little bit, move.
And I'm surprised with the ground clearance. It's quite sufficient.
That is good. Hard
City lo-
Sikkim ante iskochada. See, lot of options today for the ride. I mean, we're going for a small spin. We're probably going to Shamirpet Lake, somewhere around 10-15 kilometers
This is
from
like
here.
some other showrooms Independence Day ride.
And we have lot of options today.
Get all these options. The grill casts a shadow when you're going.
What am I gonna ride today? I think I'll ride the Speed or GS 1250. Maybe I'll ride this one. I never rode it before. సుజన్ పనులు కూడా చేస్తాడు ఇంట్లో చూడు ఎంత బుద్ధిగా మాకు చాయ్ తీసుకొచ్చాడు ఈ గాడెస్ చాయ్ హీస్ టేకింగ్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్ ఐ ఫర్గాట్ మై హెచ్డి క్లాసెస్ బ్రో I thought I'll leave early. I thought I'll ride the 790 and get lost. Okay, let's ride the 1250 GS. Nice, yeah, look at this. Fancy boxer engine looks so huge. But here it is thin. Okay, how do I start this? Okay. Oh, fancy stuff here. And then it goes left and right when you switch it on. The character of a boxer. Little bit taller than the usual ADVs. Little bit. Actually, I can plant both my feet on both sides. Position is upright, perfect, comfortable. Hey, let me come, dude. రివర్స్ గేర్ లేదా దీనికి హిల్ అసిస్ట్ లో ఉందిరా ఓ నైస్ అరే హిల్ అసిస్ట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ నైస్ యార్ ఐ లవ్ దిస్ ఫీచర్ హిల్ అసిస్ట్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ ఇన్ ద స్లోప్ క్రేజీ click. Basically, if you hit the front brake, hill assist is gone. You see that hedge coming up? That one. When you click it once, that's gone, and hill assist is deactivated. If you want to activate again, just hit that. Sarlera pada. Okay, I think I'm not sure of the specs, but I think it's somewhere around. There's a 1250cc bike, not exactly 1250, some 1243cc if I'm not wrong, and it's got 135 Nm of torque. That's like crazy torque, and yes, it is there, definitely there. You see this? You see that power? That too in the third gear. Very powerful. Apart from that, it's I think 140 bhp. All my specs are wrong, don't worry about that, but yeah, it feels really good. Yeah, very comfortable. Yeah, super comfortable. Oh, suspension is like magic. Oh. This bike is fun to ride. And that suspension is magic, yeah. And first time I don't have a Senna, so I'm not communicating with any one of my riders here. And Hamara Kishore Saab, he put razors on this. You can see these are handlebar razors. Oh, my glares are gonna fly away from my t-shirt. The clutch is like butter. This is the lightest clutch I've ever used on a bike. Oh god, it maneuvers also so well, yaar. Look at this maneuverability. I really don't know where are we going. This guy is taking me through all the unknown places in Hyderabad. never been to these places. Now the big question, is this bike gonna be the next upgrade for me? Is it? I really don't know. Like, I'm very happy with my Tiger, no doubts about that, but this is like at least 60 to 70% better than the Tiger, no doubts about that. I mean, you can't even deny that. It's really good. It feels like a proper modern 2020 proper ADV. हमारा तो no doubt पुराना हो गया, which is 2017 version. After that, I have to actually ride the 900 Tiger, which is gonna come up soon. I think this month or next month probably we'll be having that in Hyderabad. I'll definitely be test riding that. And I'm also thinking of upgrading. I'm not sure. I mean, these bikes don't come cheap, right? We need to spend at least 20 lakhs plus to get a proper premium ADV. But if I have the money to spend on a bike and I have to go for an ADV, this one, this is gonna be that, definitely. BMW India, if you're listening, थोड़ा अच्छा सा discount दे दो यार, in case future में, अभी नहीं, not now. I have a little bit of time for that. Don't know yaar, when I ride such bikes na, I really like them, and then I keep thinking, should I get this bike? That's for this moment. After I go home, I talk to myself, Sriman, thoda, let's get down a little bit from the cloud, and then I get into reality. Look at the weight response here, the maneuverability, the confidence, so confidence inspiring. Perfect. And the way I feel on the bike, I really feel that I can ride all day long. If I can ride like 200 kilometers non-stop on my Tiger, I can definitely ride maybe 350 to 400 kilometers on this bike non-stop. Yeah, so comfortable. Yeah, brakes are on point, just pulling me like that, just hitting the brakes with the front two fingers, it just stops there. If you want to ride towards the north from Hyderabad, you go from here. I mean, there are a couple of other routes, but this is like the proper NH. I want to ride a speed twin now on this highway. Done. It will be like at least 3 to 4 kilometers addition. It's gonna wheelie. It's definitely gonna do a wheelie. Look at the balance here. Crazy. Oh shit. I think we can't go from here. Oh shit. We have to take the big detour. 3 kilometers ka detour. Arey, U-turn. Turning radius crazy hai iska. My NM of torque is gonna do to your bike. Okay, U-turn.
I'll try that.
Okay, who recommended this place? You? Okay, officially I can say one thing. This is the best ADV, the GS 1250. I'll give it to that. Second best ADV in the group, Africa Twin. Acting je glow but feel hai tu. Third best.
Game लेव रहा है, game ADV लेव. BMW 850 है का.
नहीं 850 किया रहा. 1250 is 1250 dude. Worth the price.
అది డిఫరెంట్ ఉంగుతది కదా ఇట్లా.
Ducati, I don't think I can consider that as a proper ADV. It is a sports tourer.
దాంట్లో enduro is ADV.
Performance 10 out of 10.
Which one?
Multi handling 10 out of 10.
Performance, handling, suspension for the highway, 10 out of 10. Braking,
Right.
12 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for the price.
Suspension is amazing though.
KTM. Duke 390. Chaitanya, isn't this place like Tinespo?
I don't know. I
No?
have the third
It gives the same vibe.
maybe.
The Tiger is like Tinespo, this is the 850.
Anta కలిసి ఉందా? Anta Chinese make. By the way, today is my clean eating day. I mean, I'm eating clean since almost 10 days. No,
clean eating, clean
12
eating.
days. Today is the 13th successful clean eating day.
Good boy.
No, I'm gonna eat maybe some salad, chicken salad, protein and... Okay, so basically we're doing a small photo shoot of all our bikies. So one bike is missing. Unfortunately, Sujan's bike is at the service center. So I think we can replace his bike with yoga key.
ఏ అవన్నీ చెప్పకూడదు, అది హోండా అంతే అని చెప్పొద్దు.
Petra, same Honda.
టిపికల్ గా చేయకనా.
Please don't check this out on Instagram. Please don't check this out on Instagram.
Please don't like it. తీసాడు.
డ్రోన్ షాట్ చేస్తున్నావు పైనుంచి.
ఇది పోదురా డ్రోన్ సేఫ్గా ఉంటుంది.
Okay, we are going back home. Do you like to rate this place?
5 out of 10.
Basically, I can't rate it because I did not have anything. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna ride my favorite bike, Speed Twin. Oh shit. Impossible. You need to push, dude. 1, 2. Are forks patkora? Oh. Hey. अरे क्या एग्जॉस्ट नोट है सीरियसली हो क्रेजी यार रे సౌండ్ చూడరా పా పా ఇట్లా వస్తుంది నాకు I mean, I've ridden this bike before, I think in Bhubaneswar, but oh punch. Oh god, shit, third gear. अरे साउंड जोड़ रहा साउंड जोड़ shit. I always love this bike, yeah. Shit, this bike can fly, yeah. I know that had like crazy torque, but this is even more crazy. And obviously you can feel the bike. That's more for comfort. So see, what am I comparing? You can't compare these two. Enter sound.
నాకు ఇది నచ్చుతుందిరా.
అరే సౌండ్ ఏంట్రా?
బాగుందా?